Hello again, it's Noob, and this quite handsome padlock looks like it should be a lever padlock, but yet, as you can see from the key weight, it is not. And this wonderful piece of aged, I think it's probably bronze or brass, was lent to me by my good friend Yukov. And this is a century padlock made in Canada, would you believe? Look at the key, which, by the way, isn't that a beautiful key? Look at this, look at that bow, it's so nice, it really is a lovely, lovely key. I'm not really big into keys, but this is a nice one. So this is like a bit of a strange padlock. If you look here, it looks like it's had an extension put on. If this was a lever padlock, it would have 4 or 5 levers, maybe even 6, packed into that body. But it's got a little extension because it's a 5-pin key, and it goes all the way down to the back of the lock like that. You can imagine if it wasn't there, it would poke all the way through. Very odd design. Works as you'd expect, not sprung. Open up the shackle and you'll see that there is that bolt, which normally would be, I guess, a lever activated bolt. But it's not. Weird. Oh, I quite like it though. Very, very unique. Alright, so picking it. Bit of Boston keyway tension. 18 thousandths Peterson gem, and we'll just pick it like we normally pick a lock. If there's a pin that feels like it's binding, so that's a pin 4 and 3. Oh, ooh. Well, it could be that old that this lock, for whatever reason, there we go, got it. Doesn't entirely want to be picked. Or the pins are broken, sorry, that's what I meant to say. Very, very odd. So now it's sort of in the unlocked position. Put the key in. We can lock it back up. And, well, that bitting is relatively flat. I felt lots of pins drop, so it can't just be a couple of pins. Something, yeah, maybe it's just made with poor tolerances. Something, I don't know. But you can rake it pretty easily, and just putting in a... So tensioning my little finger and just putting in a sparrow's worm. It's a great little rake. And there we go. Once again, we're open. And you'll see that I swap over to a Z bar because I can't open it with the tension tool on its own. Probably damage the lock and the tension tool. I had to put in a flat bar and just, I think, there you go, you need to push the driver pins back up into the top of the lock, there you go. And that flat bar does it well, and it's open. Very, very strange indeed. Let's lock it back up again. So yeah, I mean, it's a lovely, lovely, lovely lock. A really nice curiosity. Unfortunately, just one which doesn't really require much picking. But nonetheless, I'd love to have that in my collection. So I'll be sad to see it go. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you all next time.